is Nerf Kid 73, and we're doing another Nerf war. My friend still has his Nerf gun, and then that's Matthew Artiston again. I got my gun, but it's not the sniper this time. And yes, we got pills for a bunker. So please comment, like you guys didn't. Wait. Yeah, you guys didn't comment last time. And we have 6 views, I think. But please, if somebody's watching this, tell your friends for we could do more videos. And if you put more likes, we'll do more Nerf wars. Alright. So, alright. Ready? Go! Oh! Got you. In the butt. And